Everybody, it's Gil. Welcome back to another Grilling Tuesday. And today we're going to be doing something on the Blackstone flat top griddle. A really simple item, pancakes. Check it out. Okay, for pancakes, pretty simple. We just want to get the griddle at 375 degrees, and it's going to be important we want it pretty close to that. So it's tough to get these things exactly right. It's definitely taken some playing around. So I've got this one on low and this one on low, which is going to give me a spot in the middle that I'm going to go ahead and cook at. I'm at 360 degrees right over this burner that's off with a burner on each side that's giving it some heat. I probably could have done the same thing by turning the end ones on and letting that heat the center, but this is the way I'm doing it. I think we'll be good, and we'll do this pretty simply. Let's just get a little bit of oil. Let that spread around a bit. Now, the big one wants some chocolate chips in hers, so as soon as I get these poured, I'll add a few chocolate chips right to the top of each pancake. Should have brought a little rubber spatula out here. What I'm going to do. Get a couple of these chocolate chips real quick, because it's not a good idea keeping these outside like this. Trying not to touch them because I know they're going to be just a melty mess. And I'm going to do one molded one for the little squid here. So we're just going to take this and got it in a nice greased spot here. See how well this works. I've got some in a squirt bottle too, just to make this a little easier. I'm about 330. I could actually be a little bit hotter right there. So I'm going to turn up the burners on either side of it a little bit more, just to get some more of that heat coming up over here. Let's see how these are looking underneath. These are just ready to flip. We've got her shaped one. Let's just go ahead and take a look at her initials here. That one looks good. All right. Got the dinosaur here too. I don't think that one's quite ready to flip yet. It's close. Nice outline of a pancake here. Fill it in. Here, we're just going to go ahead and do a nice round circle. Fill it right in. And we'll do one more. Quite, but soon. So that's it, folks. Classic pancakes on the Blackstone. Nice and easy, delicious too. I'm gonna do up a few more, fry up a few eggs for my wife, and we'll be set. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at how to do pancakes on the Blackstone Griddle. A lot of fun. Good stuff too, by the way.